Okay. Day 2. Okay. Day 2. We're gonna fly the drone a little bit, and then go swimming. I'm not really sure what all we're doing today, but I'll just kind of vlog as it goes along. Okay, switching to the GoPro. I got the skimboard, Jeremy's got the GoPro, and I got the other GoPro. Oh, I'm just borrowing Jeremy's. We're here at this swimming area. I think Noah's jumping off that, and then we're just gonna try to snorkel and swim around and see if we can find anything. I fell. Okay, so we just finished coming back. We just came back from the lagoon a little bit ago. I've been working on. I was not paying attention to that. We've been working on editing and a bunch of other stuff. I'm gonna be taking pictures of them in a few minutes, or not a few minutes, like an hour. Anyways, we're just chilling over here and
just chilling in Cedar Rapids.
I think we're gonna do a. I think we're gonna do a sunset time lapse tomorrow. Or no, tonight, and then after I take photos of them two, not Jeremy and them.
What if our engagement photo shoot was just pictures of Jeremy and Noah?
I'm gonna start over.
Okay.
Boom. So.
All right, guys. So we
okay.
we had a good day of snorkeling.
So we just got back from the lagoon. We snorkeled down there. Got a lot of good footage, but the audio is gonna be.
So we're probably gonna cook dinner in a minute. We just reviewed the GoPro
we're gonna cook dinner in a minute.
Kyle's vlogging, I'm vlogging, we're all
Jeremy's vlogging, I'm vlogging.
Later at sunset, we're going to.
Anyway, so I'm gonna take photos of them two, and then get a time lapse of the sunset.
And then tomorrow morning.
We're gonna get some shots and another time lapse of the sunrise.
Exactly what he said.
Yeah, and then we'll just kind of go from there.
Anyways,
you guys should do like a
I'm not
transition where you guys like put the
to
cameras
the
together.
place.
I belong, West Virginia. This is gonna be really shaky video. For dinner, we're cooking rice and beans, and then.
Is this not the biggest can of beans you've ever seen?
It's also a smushed can of beans.
Oh, that's not my fault.
I think. We also got salsa. It's gonna be some good cooking. Hey guys, what's going on? So we had a really good rest of the time. I went out and took photos and we just kind of walked around the island, just kind of hung out. I didn't record very much, mainly because I was taking pictures of them and their engagement photos as well, just kind of enjoying the moment. But I hope you guys liked today's video. Day 3 will be coming soon, and I'll see you guys next time.